Hey you guys, hope everyone is having a great day. My name is Cindy Clayton and I'm from Texas, and I love sharing my story because it gives me a chance to brag about my daughter, and who doesn't like to talk about their kids, right? I did not start this system for myself. At the age of 50, I had given up trying to find anything that was going to help me lose weight, but my daughter was a senior in high school, and as a parent, you'll do anything to help your kids. So we tried Weight Watchers, we did CrossFit, I even hired a personal nutritionist, and for 3 months, we ate everything that she told us to eat, and neither one of us could hardly lose any weight. And then when we quit, we gained it all back. So I was afraid that maybe there was some underlying health issues that she had that we didn't know about. So I took her to the doctor and I said, if there's a test for it, I want you to run it. And he did, and we came back a couple of days later and he said everything was fine. And I said, no, something really has to be wrong because she does try hard to lose weight. And he laughed and hey, Jana. And he said, no, I know she does, but I'm going to tell you about a whole new way of eating and the importance of supplements. I did not realize how important supplements were before. So he gave me some books to read about a different way of eating, and he recommended some supplements. I went to the health food store and I bought several $100s worth of stuff that I had no idea if it was good or not. But it was what the teenager behind the counter said most people buy. So I went home, read all the books, and I thought, this is really good. I think this might work for us, but I thought, I need some help. I can't text my doctor when I have questions or when we go, to eat and I don't know what to order. And about that time, I saw a friend of mine share her story, and she had had great results on some kind of system. And so I started watching her, and she was sharing that she was helping other people. And I thought, okay, I want to know what she's doing. So I called her up and I had a little notepad and pen. I was going to write down all these notes, and everything that she told me was word for word what our doctor had recommended. So we ordered the ultimate system. We jumped in with both feet. I told her, my coach, I said, I'm probably not even going to lose 5 pounds, but I don't care as long as it helps Catherine. Well, 5 months later, Catherine had lost 50 pounds and I had lost 27 pounds. Her before and after pictures are amazing, but what you can't see in that picture is that this system gave me my daughter back. She went from existing to living her life to the fullest. Before this system, she didn't want to leave the house. She didn't want to go out with her friends. She didn't want to do the stuff that a senior in high school needs to do. I'm not even sure if she would have taken senior pictures, but man, did we take some fun senior pictures. We went shopping, had a ball, trying on clothes and shoes and jewelry. We spent an entire afternoon walking around our place, finding places to take pictures, talking and laughing, and I would not have had that before this system. She had the best time taking pictures. She smiled, she posed, she changed clothes, and for this mama, I had a heart full of joy watching her take those pictures, and that's what this system did. 50 pounds was amazing, but to see her live her life to the fullest like she deserves, that's just something that every day I'm thankful for. She went away to college, 12 hours away. As a college freshman, she cruised through and did not gain a single pound back. She maintained her weight loss throughout her freshman year of college. Came home, maybe was home a few weeks, and drove to Nebraska by herself, a girl that wouldn't hardly leave the house. Met her college rodeo teammates. They went to Wyoming, Nevada, North Dakota, South Dakota. They rodeoed all summer long. She had the best time ever. So that in and of itself, every day I wake up and I'm so thankful to have found this system that has let her live her life to the fullest that she deserves. So, of course, when you have results like that, people want to know what you're doing. So I shared. Why wouldn't you share? And in the beginning, I made enough money to get my products paid for. If something came up a few days before payday, I didn't have to worry about what we were going to do because I had some extra money. And then it just grew into this unexpected blessing. I'm a dental hygienist. I work in a really small town, and my boss has let us know that he wants to retire soon. I was worried about what I was going to do. Probably a young dentist or a corporate was going to come in and buy the practice out. Were they going to bring in their staff? Were they going to cut our salary? I didn't know. And I was worried about it. Well, I don't have to worry now, because within just 2 years of simply sharing my story with other people, I make more than I make as a 27-year dental hygienist. So I'm paying off debt like crazy, and I'm going to retire before he does. And for that, I wake up every day and I'm so thankful for it. that's what the system can do for you. It can absolutely do that for you too. So thank you guys for listening and for letting me share my story. And y'all don't go anywhere, because there's some more amazing stories to come. Thanks, everyone.